Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Change the air filter. It's located in this air box right here. Pop the metal clips up. And then typically they are kind of clipped in at the bottom, so you kind of have to lift it up and out. And they sometimes won't go back very far, but you can get them out just enough to get the air filter out. And if you really need to, you can pop this out. Lift the air filter out. This one's not too bad a shape, so we will reuse it. But it would go in this direction, so the wider part towards the air intake. Slide it down. Make sure I catch the bottom of the air box. And then when you put it together, there's a little alignment tab there that will lock in there. We'll put our metal locks down. And then this did pop off, this hose. It was clipped on to the side of the air box here. So I'll just pop it back in place. And that's how you replace the air filter.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.